Alright, somebody in the comments left me a question asking if I could show them this. It was my wintertime how to get rid of an ice dam video. You can look it up. It's just a few videos back. I'm going to do this in real time. I got everything ready. I got my portable drill. Got my drill bit matched to the dispersion uh, straw or hose on the expansion foam so I don't make too big of a hole. I got my white caulking to cover up the holes I make, and I got my expansion foam ready. And I'm going to show you what the issue is here. The issue is my front door is very cold around all the edges. I suspect when it was put in, the contractors pulled away the insulation, framed it, and then didn't put the insulation back, because it's just pouring cold air in all around these edges. And as I previously said, you're going to drill in between the centers on the studs. They should be 16-inch centers. And I've already scoped this out. I know where to drill. And I'm going to drill it real quick right now. And I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to put in an entire can of expansion foam right up here. And it's going to expand and go all the way down this wall here and seal in all these cracks. And I'm going to put in a can here and a can here in this corner, because I've noticed this interior wall is very cold connecting to this outside wall, so air is really leaking in bad here. So in order to do all this, I'm going to put my camera in the tripod. Bear with me, because I can't do this. I don't have 8 arms like an octopus and hold my camera at the same time. And I'm going to get going, and we'll see what we can get done here. Into the tripod. Okay. Drill in my holes. I made a lot of dust when I did that, so when I'm all done, I'll get the shop vac and clean all this up. No big deal. Alright, expansion foam can's ready. I'm going in. You'll know when the can's empty because you're going to feel the decrease in weight. It's kind of a no-brainer, but I just have the feeling somebody's going to ask in the comments. There, half that can's in there. I'm going to the next hole. And I got diaper wipes with me for quick cleanup before this expansion foam sets in and makes a mess, because it will leave yellow staining marks and it's pretty nasty. But it's like a half hour to get full cure time on this. It's no big deal. Okay, here, there's a little bit left in this can. I'll just finish it off. Okay, that can's actually empty. Get rid of this. Now, the expansion foam backfed a little bit out of the holes, so immediately, I don't know how good you can see that on the camera, immediately I'm going to clean it up before it even has a chance to start setting on my nice white paint and leave a permanent yellow mark, because it will. There. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to hurry up and get white caulking in those, so it won't be any big deal. Alright, my second can, I'm going to start right where I left off in this hole up here. I'm going to put about half half the can in this hole, and then I'll move down to those holes in the corner and put the other half of the can in there. That's about half. Right here is where I want to go next. So we'll put about a quarter of the can in there. That's about right. Last hole. Dumping the remainder of the entire can in there. That's it. And this foam is going to expand to just at least 7 times its original volume. I'm going to hurry up and clean these up, and I'm going to put in my caulk, and then I'm done. And I should say I love a product like expansion foam because it has such a high R value, or reflective thermal value, meaning it's really super good insulation, and it's not very expensive for the customer. That makes it a really good, ideal product for something like this. And I'm going to show you me putting in caulking into one hole and sealing it up, and then I'm going to end this video because I got obviously some cleanup to do. There, and I shot a whole bunch of caulking in there. That'll keep the foam from further expanding and coming back out on me. I'll hurry up and touch this up so it matches the wall. And you can imagine me doing this on every hole. And then you're going to be done. And I'm going to show that as good as I can right there. There you go. I hope this video helps you and inspires you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.